Fleet with the help. Here's Westbrook on the baseline and left the finger roll on the rim.
That'll be on the not top 10 plays.
Nice.
There's Siakam. Oh, it fell out of his hands.
Yeah, it slipped out of his hand. Now, this young man, I just want to say this. In the last 4 games that he's played, he's averaging.
Brown out of SMU and feeds to Antetokounmpo. Oh my goodness! Wow! You can look being here. This is unbelievable.
For Christmas, Reggie Jackson Edwards. Ball swing to the corner, wide open, clutch and look. Oh, he went plinko on him, didn't he? Jordan Clarkson all over the map, and he knocked it down. Will make it 2 straight victories. Oh, Curry. Okay. Oh, the steal by Iguodala. Iguodala shot his stuff and is fouled by Rondo.
Big A, 3-on-1. Davis.
Oh, he was throwing it back to Rudy.
Successful formula for the Nuggets, having Millsap post up. Shot clock down to 2, up and over the backboard. Okay. Wow. What a way to get the scoring started for the Nuggets.
Dragic on the keeper, lobs it for Jones Jr. He batted it in and drew the foul. A little volleyball for the airplane man.
He took off a little too early.
Lakers Kuzma. Oh, that goes in!
By Kuz.
I got it all the way, said Kuz.
He's got a 3-point opportunity there.
How about his free throw shooting? 98%.
Tosses it over to Brogdon. I don't know if it was intentional.
Sadly. So again, what kind of defense will the Heat throw at him here in the second half? Myers Leonard goes back and LeBron says, I'll take it. And he takes it strong for the dunk.
Because Leonard
Punches it out to Gay. Looking for White. Got it to the slam.
You gotta be kidding me. And Derrick Rose is going back. Derrick White is going back door for the alley-oop, and the bad hair day just getting worse.
Against the Celtics.
Graham continues in the starting lineup with Dudley out. Russell, rainbow 3 to open play. Timeout. Brad Stevens.
This Baines wins the tip. Now Tatum goes to the hole. No, and it's put back in by a buck. An own goal scenario.
Off the Embiid screen, Russ got him on the back tap, and it's room service for Westbrook. Oh, he blew it!
They're looking for him. Clock's winding down. 2 seconds left, and Dinwiddie threw it out of bounds. Oh my goodness! Brooklyn turns it over with just under 2 seconds left.
Moutier breaks through. Harris. He comes up short. His rebound, no, still alive, and it's tipped in.
Hey, and then you see another time. Let's see if we can get it together. Whoa. Yeah, like you got to pick your feet up when you run, Ian. That's one of the key things there.
Andre Iguodala. Guess who's coaching players? Are going to do this themselves, and the coaches 4 threes. Bottoms that one.
Here it is. Come on, 30 seconds. Get those talkies.
I didn't see the sense of urgency there. Ginobili.
The net, the officials, I think, went through the net.
That was a basket.
Yeah, the ball went in.
Toward the elbow, back to Lowry, now to Ibaka. Thought about a pass, thought about a shot, and cans a triple.
What was he hesitating for?
That's
a third shot he hits
right.
Maybe just so it looks good.
And Klay Thompson to tip it right to them and get a quick one. The concern is not them going coast to coast.
Paul tips it back, and the buzzer sounds.
And his stroke removed, still there.
Oh boy.
Oh my.
Wow.
Herky-jerky from the foul line.
And you know, the free throw line is the one time where everything's slow and you really got to think about your shot. Clearly.
Hall, I'm not sure if that was intended for Adams or Dort. Either way, rare turnover. Up the floor, Sexton off from Osman. And again, Cleveland gets it down to 5. And this
Ricky hands it to Royce. Slicing inside, blocked by Jaretko. Oh, my. A tap in.
Who tapped it in?
Well, the closest man to
Out of timeouts. Here's Bellinelli. Catch and shoot, and it's good! We're going to overtime.
And the ball is nudged out to half court and fumbled out of bounds.
Unfortunate. After Marvin Williams just... he's sitting there thinking, how am I going to be able to dunk a lazy back?
Bad pass from Cousins as Davis turned his back. Here's Cantor. Strides out, finishes.
And this one on him. So nice with short twice.
Raptors and Cavaliers tied at 105. DeRozan drives in, gives it up. Van Vliet back in, a three. No good. DeRozan in and out. 3 seconds. Tip in Valanciunas. That won't go.
He's going to look to attack. If he can't pull up. Oh,
Wow.
Great defensive plays by Holiday and by Miller. Chris
Crosses him over into the lane, driving, blocked away by Martin. Off of Curry. Hey, no, but long arms. What's this? He's gonna.
Ooh, nice move by Williams. He got 3 white jerseys in the air.
I don't think he realizes what he just...
Harden the steal and the dunk.
Oh, he missed it.
No, that ball went through and then came out.
Move, lost the ball, tries to get it, saves it, saved inside, outside Curry. 2, ball. Out.
Absolutely, he's out.
Offensive foul. Kyle Lowry. It was an interesting move. I don't think I've ever seen it.
5 to shoot. A minute and a half to play. That's a bomb!
Oh my gosh!
Ridiculous! Damian Lillard!
His mechanics are excellent.
Yes,
Great. Oh my goodness, what a play.
Diving stop by Leonard.
Oh, you got to show that. I mean, that is...
Throws in a row.
Yeah, but they're going to use their 24. Oh, this the ball is live. Volley! Bang! It's a 1-point game. Tucker fell asleep on the inbound pass.
I still believe they've got the most talent, the highest ceiling. Nice step in by Adams.
Adams takes it all the way and banks it in.
Kyle, back inside Rudy. One giant lead.
Rudy.
Yes!
Okay, Rudy.
There!
Having a double-digit lead on LeBron and the Lakers. Only to falter down the stretches. Booker winding up with a
Step.
Oh, nice pass to Boban running the floor, but he's blocked. Kenyon Martin Jr. in the game, and Martin goes up.
Pump fake, tried to bounce to Drummond. That's intercepted. Out comes Durant. Sex is the only man who can stop him, and he did!
Defense at his...
Oh, yes, do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, he banged it home. Look at the bench. Look at the bench. Oh, the bench. Look at the bench loves it.
Now no fouls. It'll be Steven Adams.
They give Steven Adams some.
And wow! The one-hander from half court.
Wow. I was going to say.
Further others. Dinwiddie with 15. Andre for 3. And it's through! Call for the travel.
Would Andre have been free to do that?
Bradley with that block shot. That's his 8th.
I mean, you got Dwight Howard taking threes. Look at him. He looks like Dennis Rodman running down the court.
Boyan in the paint, picking out Joe. Here's Royce on a drive, hangs it inside. Oh! Hammer home! What a bucket by Royce O'Neal!
Holds his hands.
Oh, yes! In mid-flush, stopped by Tolliver. And
Lakers get it up the floor in a hurry. James, hard drive. Oh, rejected! The Fro just got the king.
Murray. Plumlee's got it. Plumlee behind the back. Plumlee all the way. Debate. As sweet as it gets. Wrong foot. Markkanen, the only player in double figures. Jokic behind the back. And he scores. Well, did the message happen?
Driving on Robinson on the fade. Heel with the follow, slams it down.
Just like that.
Himself in the ladder. Hayward with the steal. Hayward blocked from behind. What a play. The block.
Ariza rejected by Westbrook. What a recovery by Russell Westbrook.
Boy.
Kevin Love lost it. Nice save. First Turner's deep Cavaliers. It's a system-oriented team. Embiid, look out. Oh, my goodness. Embiid comes crashing in. And any less of an athlete, and we're all gone.
Oh, my
we're
goodness.
all gone.
Mechanics are excellent. Great. Oh my goodness, what a play.
Diving stop by Leonard.
Oh, you got to show that. I mean, that is.
Ellington finds Trier. Trier to the basket. Blocked from behind. And it goes out of bounds.
And the Kings will have it.
No, that's not his brother. Don't do that to me. You're just trying to suck me in. Little takeaway from the All-Star game when he finished with a dunk. It was reverse at that time. Oh, yeah.